Alright, so this is part 2 of our adjustment series. We're going to be doing an adjustment with Miss Addison right here. She was easily one of my most adorable patients. Addison, you ready to get adjusted? You have your sticker? Okay. Well, with kids, because there's not as much damage to their spine, because they haven't waited so long to get adjusted, it takes a lot less movement, a lot less pressure and force to get them adjusted. So we're going to start with her. Avi, go ahead. Addison, want to lay down here? Want to lay down here, sweetie? And once again, I have already analyzed Addison, and I know how we're going to be adjusting her. Avi, go ahead and lie here on the table. Ta-da! Yeah. What's in here? What's this? You cooperate today? Yeah. Alrighty, so we're going to do the first adjustment right here in our hip. Boop. Now we're going to get this up here adjusted. Right there. Ready? Good. Perfect. You ready for this one? Yeah? Have a seat. Sit, sit. Alright, there we go. Oh, you're being so good. Alright, and this is a Webster toggle piece. This gives a light adjustment for the baby. Right there. Good. Nice and easy. Yay! Party! You do the party, baby? Raise the roof? Woo! The adjustments make me want to dance too. Alright, so with chiropractic care and adjusting babies, there's lots of reasons kids get adjusted. A lot of kids come in here for wellness. They'll notice things like they don't get sick as often as they used to get sick, or ear infections, acid reflux, many different conditions that kids have. And they come in here and get healthy from it. But once again, with kids, they come in the office for a lot of different reasons. Most people do have questions about why their kids are getting adjusted, why should kids get adjusted, give the office a call. I'm always free to answer questions. I always say the most important thing, get informed about what we're doing. That way you and your family can be as healthy as possible. I'm Dr. Jake. Thanks for watching.